everyone. Welcome to the channel Knowledge 24. In today's environment, we know that Python is very popular language other than the C, C++ and Java language. Now, in today's lecture, we will discuss about introduction of Python. In this, we will discuss what, when and why Python. So Python is developed by Guido van Rossum in Feb 1991, and this language is based on ABC language, which is replacement of basic language, and Modulo 3 language. Now, then what is Python? So Python is an interpreted, object-oriented and high-level programming language with dynamic semantics. So what is interpreted? Interpreted means it convert and execute code line by line. And if there are any error in a single line, then it will report at the same time, and after the rectifying the error, it will further move. So this is the interpretation. Then it's an object-oriented programming language like a C, C++, Java and other object-oriented programming language. Means it follows OOPS concept. Then it's a high-level programming language. It's not a low-level language or middle-level language. And the last is dynamic semantics. This is the main thing. Dynamic semantics means it follows dynamic rules, not static rules. For example, in this we have no foundation of define the data type. So this is the dynamic semantics. Now, we know that Python is very popular. So what are the reasons? So why Python? So the first reason is it's very easy to learn and understand. In this, programmer have focus only on the learning concept. It's simple like as a English language, and it's very easy to learn because its syntax and rules are very simple to write and understand. So this is the reason. Then second reason is widely used. By Python we can create almost everything, create all type of applications, from small applications to large applications like scripting, database applications, GUI programming, artificial intelligence, machine learning and data science, robotics, etc. So we can develop all things by the Python in a single platform. Now, and the third is it's beginners friendly. Beginners means who are not aware of programming, who is start the programming. So this is the beginners programmers who have no idea how to write the program. So this is the simple English type of language. So they are not focus on the too much detail. We have to focus only on the simple programming concept. So it is very beginners friendly, and in this we use simple line of codes rather than large programs. And in this we use white spaces, not parentheses and other type of things. So in this we use only simple or few line of codes and our program will be completed. So these are the reasons by this Python is very popular right now. For working in a Python, we simply need to install Python on our computer by different type of methods, like we can use IDEs, Jupyter Notebook, then Spider and other distributions like Anaconda distribution, and the default Python installation is CPython, which is available on www.python.org. So this is the basic introduction of Python language. Thank you.